Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to plant potatoes that started to grow on your countertop. Now this pretty much happens to me every January. I don't know, these are potatoes from the grocery store and they just start to initiate development really quickly. So I have these, a whole line here of fabric bags that are already filled with soil cube from last summer. These actually were filled with tomatoes, none of which died from any disease. They died from frost. I just cut those vines down, and for the last few months they've been sitting here. All that root mass is decomposed, and now I'm gonna just take advantage of these filled pots by planting these potatoes. Now, some of these containers I actually scattered poppy seeds into, so I'm not gonna disturb those ones, but I'm gonna plant in all of the bags that don't have poppy seeds germinating. So the planting process is really easy. I'm just gonna use my favorite digging tool, the groundhog, and I am gonna dig one big, as deep as possible hole right down the middle. And then I'm actually just gonna put probably 4 potatoes in. Now, what I did last year, and you can see in past videos, when I was actually filling these for the first time, I did low layers and I put the potatoes in really low to the ground, and then every few weeks I added soil. And that's an ideal way to do it, but if you already have your bags filled, this is also an adequate way to be able to grow. I think actually 3 in this bag is the right number. And I'm just gonna cover it back up. And now I'm just gonna go down the line, and like I said, any bag that doesn't have poppies germinating in it, I'm gonna plant potatoes in. And these potatoes are absolutely ready to be planted. And they'll grow slowly all winter long, and likely these will be harvested in June. So I know it might seem counterintuitive to not get rid of this old soil, but I had a friend a long time ago, back in 2006, explain to me how as long as the soil is still providing proper drainage and you haven't had any disease issues with your plants, there's really no benefit to getting rid of it and starting with fresh. In fact, older soil will have a better soil biome, more microbial activity. Now, I've really put that to the test over the last 5 years, as I've been using soil cube compost as my exclusive medium for growing in containers. And I can say 100%, there's absolutely no reason that I would ever need to just discard the soil from these big fabric bags when I can just continue to grow in them season after season, and it's so much less maintenance. So I hope that little tidbit will be helpful for you. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe to the Bree the Plant Lady YouTube channel for regular updates on these potatoes in a grow bag all season long during my weekly garden tours. Thanks so much for watching, everybody.